Chinese New Year is coming. I wish you all a Happy New Year. Today, I will share a Chinese New Year dish, the salt-baked chicken. Don't be deceived by its name. We don't need to add additional salt or bake. All you need is a packet of spicy bake mix. It's mainly made out of galangal powder and salt, so you don't need to add additional salt. Galangal is different from ginger. It is not that spicy. Some people call it Thai ginger. It has more peppery taste. With some piney flavor, it is known for a lot of health benefits, commonly used in Asian cuisines. This kind of spicy bake mix is very common. You can get it from many Chinese supermarkets. I will soak this chicken in a pot of soup. The chicken meat will be very tender, smooth, and sweet. So we will have a dinner with not only the salt-baked chicken, but also the delicious and healthy soup. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I will share with you my secret ginger green onion dip that can go with the chicken. Let's prepare the ingredients for the soup first. You can put in whatever veggie you like. Our chef likes to put in mushrooms for the soup. Put them in this 7-quart pot. You need a pot that can let the chicken soak in completely. Add water to about 80% full. High heat to boil the soup, and then turn it to low heat to simmer for 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the soup to be ready, clean up the chicken. Remove the excess fat. Before dip the chicken in the soup, turn to medium heat. Then, dip the chicken like this. Pick it up and dip it. The purpose is to make the temperature inside the chicken to catch up quickly. Just repeat it 3 or 4 times. Then, completely immerse the chicken in the soup. Soon, the soup is boiled again. Then turn down to low heat. Keep the soup temperature at 180 to 185 degrees. This temperature will ensure the chicken is cooked just right and safe to eat. It's a 2.5-pound chicken. It needs to be soaked in the simmering soup for 45 minutes. If the chicken is larger or smaller, you can adjust a few minutes accordingly. You can use a temperature meter to check. The inside temperature should reach to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After 1 or 2 times, you should be getting better at the timing. During the 45 minutes, every 15 minutes, we will turn the chicken upside down in the soup so it can be evenly cooked. If the soup temperature gets to lower than 180 degrees, you can turn the heat up a little bit, but need to maintain the temperature at 180 to 185 degrees. If the temperature is too high, the chicken will be overcooked, then it's not going to be tasty. If the temperature is too low, then the chicken is not cooked. It's not safe to eat either. After 45 minutes, take out the chicken, soak in cold water, or rinse slowly for 10 minutes. You can even use ice water. The purpose is to cool down quickly so that the chicken will not be overcooked. At this point, if you don't add the spice bake mix, it's already a delicious white chicken. Okay, after cooling off, apply the salt bake mix on the outside and inside. And then, at last, add a little bit toasted sesame oil. If you want to chill it, you can put it into the fridge for another hour. But I cannot wait. Let's cut the chicken into pieces. If you want to lay out the dish beautifully, then check out with our chef. Now, let's make a ginger onion dipping sauce. Grind the ginger first. I will get about 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Dice the green onions, it's about 1 cup. Chop a few cloves of garlic. Add into the ginger and green onion with half of the garlic and add a teaspoon of salt. It's optional. Mix well. Put some oil on medium heat. I mixed the oil with a little bit of chicken oil I made earlier. It will be more tasty, but it's optional if you don't like chicken fat. Put in the other half of the garlic. Fry until golden brown. Pour the oil with garlic into the ginger and green onion immediately. It is very yummy ginger onion dipping sauce. My whole family loves the sauce. Kids even like to add this dipping sauce to the veggies or rice. Let's take a look at the soup again. It is very delicious and healthy. You can make this kind of soup all year round. Today, we make 3 flavors with this chicken. Let me summarize the tips. When soaking the chicken, keep the water temperature at 180 to 185 degrees. 1 pack of spicy bake mix can be used 2 or 3 times for the chicken of this size. You can adjust the amount according to your own taste. For the soup, it is recommended to add some other chicken or pork bones or lean meat. Simmer it for another hour after the chicken is done. The soup will be more delicious. You don't need to add salt to the ginger onion dipping sauce. With the half-cooked, half-raw garlic, it is very tasty. Look at this mouth-watering chicken. It is cooked just right, very smooth and tasty. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. See you soon. 新年快樂! Happy New Year!